Hello students, now let us see the integrated expression for first order reaction. So this is also quite easy student, you can easily understand this one. So we are going to get the integrated equation for the first order reaction student. Let us consider one equation, reactant is converting into the product, right student? So how can we write student, rate is equal to what student? Rate for the first order reaction, rate is proportional to R concentration power 1, because only one concentration of one molecule change in the first order reaction student. So what you will be able to do student, here is remove the proportionality constant. So rate is equal to what will be there student, that is minus K no R. Why minus sign student? Why minus? Because it is the reactant. Minus sign, if you talk about negative sign means what student? Rate of reactant, rate of, no, either you don't write the rate student, because here you can write the constant. Whereas negative sign means what student means? Okay, negative sign means concentration of reactant, no, concentration of reactant decreases, no, concentration of reactants decreases. Okay student, now student, second point, let us understand this in the different way. So rate means what student? Rate, if you are writing rate means that is, change in concentration upon time, change in concentration upon time, time. So what we can write here student, that dr, dr by dt is equal to what we can write student, minus k, and here is r. So what we can student, we are rearranging this here and there. So minus dr upon, here this r will come here student, r dash equal to what is minus k dt. अब integrate this equation, integrate this equation. So if you are integrating this equation student, what you will be able to get? So put the symbol, here is dr upon what student, r equal to, that is minus k, that is dt, right? So students, what will happen in this reaction if you talk about? So this one, after integrating the equation, the value will come student, ln r in a square bracket equal to minus k into t and integration constant, that is I. This is the equation number 1. So majorly you have to understand up to here student, after that the equation will be very easy. So what you will be able to do the next student in this equation, if you are suppose at the time t, at time t is equal to 0, at time t is equal to 0, when time t is equal to 0, so r is equal to, so r is equal to what will happen student, r is equal to r naught, right? When time t is equal to 0, so r equal to what will be there, r naught. So put this value in the equation number 1. Okay, so ln r, okay, ln r, and at the place of r we are putting r naught is equal to, here, so is equal to minus k, time at the place of time what we are putting 0 plus I. Okay, so you simplify, if k into 0 means 0, so what will come student, ln r naught is equal to k into 0 plus I means I, right student? This is equation number 2. So what we can write student, from equation number 2, put the value of I in equation where, put the value of I in equation 1. Okay, so here is the equation number 1 student, here is, this is the equation number 1, that in this equation we are putting the value of I. So what you will be getting student, so ln, okay, ln r is equal to minus k into t plus I value how much student, ln r naught, this is the I value. Now dear students, kt you take this side, so the negative will become positive. So kt is to kt equal to what will come student, ln r naught minus this will go that side, so what will come student, ln r, right? So two things are there student. So dear student, so one we know the logarithmic formula, ln a minus ln b is equal to what student, ln a by b. So this formula we have to apply in this equation. So what will come student, that is kt is equal to ln, okay, ln r naught, ln r naught upon what student, that is ln r naught upon r. Okay, this is the expression. Now student, we know ln equal to what, ln is equal to 2.303, okay, ln is equal to 2.303 log, okay. So here if you want to put the log, we need to apply, that is 2.303. so what is the kt is equal to 2.303, okay, log what will come student, r naught upon r. This now k up k is equal to what student, we can write 2.303 upon t log what student, r naught upon r, log r naught upon r. This will be our the expression, right student, k expression. So k is equal to 2.303 t log r naught upon r. So this is integrated first order reaction. So this is, we can write, this is integrated, this is the integrated first order reaction, integrated first order reaction. Now student, here is the k is, that is k is the rate constant for okay, for first order reaction, right student. Now if you are going, that is r naught means what student, initial concentration, when the time t is equal to 0, so at that time initial concentration, and r is equal to what student, this is the final concentration. So this is the rate expression for, this is the what is student, rate expression for the first order reaction. Thank you so much for watching friends.